morning children. Today we will continue with exercise number 4. So in this first is fill in the blanks. Okay. So first you have to know about multiplication of symbols. So same symbols, minus, minus, plus, plus. If you multiply, the answer will be positive, plus. Different symbols, plus into minus or minus into plus. Different symbols, if you multiply, you are getting minus. Same symbols, multiplication, positive. Same symbols, multiplication, positive. Different symbols, multiplication, negative. Okay. So these two, if you remember, same symbols, multiplication, positive, different symbols, multiplication, negative. So by remembering this, we have to do the problems. Now first problem is fill in the blanks, and minus 100 is there here into minus 6 is there. What is the product? Product how much? So first you should multiply symbols. First you have to multiply symbols, then next numbers. So 100 before which symbol is there? Minus. 6 before which symbol is there? Minus. First you have to multiply what symbols? Minus into minus. Minus into minus. Just now I said same symbols, if you multiply you will get positive, I said. So minus minus, same symbols. What you are doing? Multiplying. So in answer plus will come or not? Very good. Then after symbols what you have to do? Multiplication, numbers. What is this number? 100. What is this number? 6. 100 into 6. 100 6 600. So any time first number, no need of writing plus. So if there is no symbol, you should understand that it is positive. So we should not write plus 600. If you remove plus, means plus you should not write. 600 means it is plus 600 only. Okay. So next, one more problem in this fill in the blanks. Minus 3 into how much is equals to 3. Minus 3 into how much is equal to 3. See, into is the multiplication. 3 is having minus. In answer, 3 before no symbol means it is positive. Minus into dash is equal to positive. This number is a positive number or negative number, means minus into minus only plus. So in this answer minus will come. Yes or no? Next, first symbols you have to multiply, you got it. Then go for numbers. What is this number? 3. Here you have to write some number. 3 into how much is equals to 3. 3 with which you have to multiply to get answer as 3. Means 1. So minus 3 into minus 1 is how much here? Plus 3. So in answer you have to write minus 1. Same problem you can do in another method. Minus 3 into dash is equal to 3 is there. So this dash, keep it here only. This 3 will be in numerator. Minus 3 multiplying quantity you are taking to right hand side. It will divide. So here 3 table 3 ones are 3 ones are. So 1 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 only. So the answer is what here? Minus 1. You can do like this also. Okay. Which method is easy? You can apply the same method. Remaining, I am not doing all the problems. 15 into minus 3 is equals to dash. 15 is having positive, 3 is having minus. Plus into minus is minus. 15 3 is 45. You can write directly. Okay. Now we will go for next problem, second problem. What is second? Find each of the following products. Same, first and second are same. Here fill in the blanks is there. Here you have to multiply and you have to write the answer. Product you have to write it. So in this first one is 3 into minus 1. So how to do multiplication? What I said to you? First multiply all symbols. Then go for numbers I said. Same, here also same. 3 before no symbol. No symbol means positive, plus. 1 before minus. Plus into minus. And answer minus. 3 ones are 3. Next, minus 1 into 225, you can do it. Third one is minus 21 into minus 30. Minus means he kept in brackets, see it. It is very important if you have any minus number, enclose inside the brackets. Now, two integers are there. Both are having minus. Minus into minus. In answer plus will come. 21 into 30. If you don't know, you have to multiply like this. With the 0 if you multiply, 2 zeros will come. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. You are getting 630. So you have to write 630. What I said to you? Don't write plus in front of a number. Starting number, no need of writing plus. So what is the answer here? 630. Okay. These all are third, fourth class problems only. Now we will go with the last problems. That is 10th problem is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. At a time you can do multiplication. Otherwise, do these two multiplication first. Okay, I am doing these two multiplication. Minus into minus is plus, no need of writing. 3 6 18 into. These two I multiplied, I wrote the product over here. Next, multiply these two. Minus into minus is plus, no need of writing. 2 ones are 2. In next step, 18 twos are. Multiply here, 18 twos are 36. So 36 write down. It is the answer. So stepwise means something you done like this. Some students, how they will do is directly they will write the answer here. Minus into minus into minus into minus. Minus, if you multiply even times, even means 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times, like that. Okay, then you will get positive only. Minus, if you multiply odd number of times, means you have here in question number 8, minus 18, minus 5, minus 4. Now, minus is odd number of times. Minus is 1, 2, 3. Odd number of times is there, means in answer you will get minus only. Here minus how many times came here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is which number? Even number. If minus repeated even number of times, in answer plus will come. If minus repeated odd number of times, in answer you will get minus. Okay. Now 3 6 18, 18 2s 36, 36 1s 36. We can write directly. The answer for this is, you can do directly or you can do 2, your wish. Okay. Minus into minus into minus. Odd number of times. Minus only. 18 5s 5 18s 90. 90 4s 360. The answer is minus 360. Okay. Next. Third question said here. What he given? A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. See, normally in one house, okay, you have 40 degrees centigrade. This much temperature is there in the house. Okay. What you have to do? Every hour, automatically 5 degrees it should be decreased. Every hour, 5 degrees will be lowered. The room temperature will be lowered from 40 degrees at the rate at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. So here room temperature after 1 hour. For 1 hour, basically you have 40. After 1 hour, what happens? 5 degrees will be lowered. 40 minus 5 means 40 minus 1 into 5. 40 into 1 into 5. 40 minus 1 into 5. How much you are getting? 35. After 1 hour, room temperature will be 35 only. Next, room temperature after 2 hours. After 2 hours, room temperature how it will be there means originally 40 is there. But for every hour 5 degrees will be decreases or not? 2 into 5. So, 2 5s are how much? 10. 40 minus 10 is how much? 30 degrees. So, after 2 hours, the room temperature will be 30 degrees. Like etc. After 3 hours. After 3 hours, what you have to do? Say me 40 minus 3 into 5. 40, 3 5 is how much? 15. 40 minus 15 is how much? 25. So suppose I want after 5 hours. After 5 hours. 3 after 4 is there. 5 hours I want it. What you have to do is 40 is same. Minus is same. Here 3 hours means 3 into 5. 5 hours means 5 into 5. 40 minus 5 5 is how much? 25. 40 minus 25 is how much here? 15. 40 minus 25. Very good. It is 15. Okay. Like that, after 10 hours, room temperature will be, this is 40, okay, minus, after 3 hours means 3 into 5, 5 hours means 5 into 5, 10 hours means 10 into 5, 40, 10 5 is how much? 50, 40 minus 50, I said 50 minus 40 is 10, 40 minus 50, no one should say 10, is wrong. See here, 40 is smaller number, 50 is bigger number. You should not say I can't subtract. You can subtract. For this I told one example for you. 40 rupees is there in your pocket and you should give 50 rupees to your class teacher or your maths teacher. What your maths teacher will do? He will take 40 rupees which is there in your pocket and he will say that still you should give 10 rupees to me. That is minus 10. So here in your pocket 50 rupees is there. You have to give to your maths teacher 40 rupees. So what maths sir will do? He will take 40 rupees and he will give 10 rupees or he will keep in your pocket. Here 10 rupees still you have to give in your pocket. No money is there. Still you should give 10 rupees to your teacher. Here is 10 rupees is there in your pocket. Okay. So much difference will be there here. Remember, now the answer for this question is 40 minus 50 is minus 10. Okay, minus 10 degrees centigrade. It is third problem. Next we will go for fourth. What is fourth problem said here? In a class, test containing 10 questions. Uh, Spectacles. Remaining problems are solve it. If you have any doubt, in next class I will clarify. Thank you.